Number 1. Are you looking for a powerful, full-frame mirrorless camera that offers incredible performance and creative possibilities? Look no further than the Canon EOS R5 C. This camera is packed with features that make it the perfect tool for any professional photographer or videographer. The Canon EOS R5 C is equipped with a 4.5 MP full-frame CMOS sensor and a highly capable DIGIC8 image processor. This combination ensures that you get ultra-sharp, detailed images and videos with minimal noise. The EOS R5 C also features an impressive autofocus system with up to 5,940 selectable AF points, giving you the confidence to capture sharp images even in low-light conditions for videographers. The Canon EOS R5 C offers 4K UHD recording with up to 8,000 raw video capture, giving you a huge range of creative possibilities. Additionally, the camera supports in-body image stabilization for smooth, shake-free video. The Canon EOS R5 C is more than just a powerful camera. It's also user-friendly and intuitive, with a touchscreen LCD and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing and remote control.
Number 2. The Canon EOS R3 is the most advanced digital camera on the market. It features a full-frame 30.3 megapixel CMOS sensor that captures sharp, high-resolution images with a maximum continuous shooting speed of 10 frames per second. It's ideal for capturing fast-paced action and capturing split-second moments. The EOS R3 also features a high-speed autofocus system, which is great for capturing fast-moving subjects. It also has a dual-pixel CMOS AF system, which is helpful when shooting video. With this system, you can have precise and smooth autofocusing while recording. The EOS R3 also offers an impressive 4K video recording capability. You can record 4K video at up to 60 frames per second with 10-bit Canon log. You can also record at different frame rates, including a slow motion mode of up to 120 frames per second. The Canon EOS R3 is also great for shooting in low light. It has a maximum ISO of 51,200 and an expandable ISO range of up to 100 to 1,400. This allows you to capture sharp images in dark environments.
Number 3. The Canon EOS R5 is the latest full-frame mirrorless camera from Canon, and it's one of the most advanced cameras on the market, with an impressive 45 megapixel sensor, 8K video recording, and fast autofocus. This camera is perfect for professional photographers and videographers. In this video, we'll take a look at all of the features of the Canon EOS R5 and give you a full review of the camera. We'll go over the specs, the controls, and the performance of the camera so that you know exactly what you're getting with this high-end piece of equipment. We'll also talk about some of the accessories available for the EOS R5 and show you how to get the most out of your camera. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, the Canon EOS R5 is the perfect camera for you. So join us as we take a closer look at this amazing.
This is the Canon Cinema EOS C70. The EOS C70 is the first Cinema EOS camera to utilize Canon's RF mount technology with a newly designed compact and lightweight body. It features a 4K Super 35mm dual-gain output sensor with high frame rate recording up to 120 frames per second in 4K and internal 422 10-bit recording. There are two SD card slots with versatile recording options, dual-pixel CMOS autofocus with our new intelligent face tracking system, as well as a wealth of professional I/O interfaces. The concept behind the EOS C70 was to bridge the Cinema EOS and the digital interchangeable lens camera range, also known as DILC. By combining the small form factor and ergonomics found in the DILC range and the extensive feature set found in the Cinema EOS range, for example waveform monitor, peaking, time code, assignable buttons, as well as dedicated audio control dials and XLR inputs. The EOS C70 has the smallest body in the Cinema EOS range, thanks to the short flange back of the RF mount system. And when the camera is dressed up with accessories on your shoot, it can continue to remain small and nimble. This is especially great for when hand-holding or when mounting on gimbals and drones. The EOS C70 houses a newly designed ND filter system, as well as a new multifunction grip with independent dials and 8-way joystick. And these are placed in natural positions for quick and simple control while shooting. The EOS C70 is the first Cinema EOS camera that incorporates the RF mount system. First introduced in the EOS R and recently found on the EOS R5 and R6. The new mount system brings a variety of benefits, including increased optical performance, faster autofocus, intelligent image stabilization, and opens up new possibilities for optical designs. Our extensive range of EF lenses are supported via our EF to EOS R 0.71 times mount adapter, designed specifically for the EOS C70. It employs an optical conversion to capture a full-frame angle of view even when mounted on a Super 35mm sensor, as well as increased light transmission of approximately 1 stop. The 4K Super 35mm DGO sensor in the EOS C70 consists of our innovative dual-gain output technology, first introduced in the C300 Mark III, allowing for the capture of exceptional image quality with over 16 stops of dynamic range. This is made possible by producing 2 separate images at different amplification levels to increase details in both the shadows and highlights, while also significantly reducing noise. Unlike dual ISO, the benefits of DGO apply across a wider ISO range, maximizing the dynamic range and image quality, regardless of the environment you're shooting in.
Number 5. The Canon EOS R6 is here and it's ready to revolutionize the way you shoot. Boasting a 20.1 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, Digic X image processor and dual-pixel CMOS AF system. This powerful camera is designed to deliver stunning image quality, high-speed performance and 4K video capture. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, you'll find plenty to love about the Canon EOS R6. The camera's high-end features and controls make it easy to take stunning photos and videos. With the new 3.69 million OLED electronic viewfinder, you can easily compose shots with accurate detail, while the fast autofocus and 8 FPS burst shooting mode make it easy to capture fast-moving subjects. The Canon EOS R6 also offers a wide range of creative and cinematic video features. With 4K video capture at up to 60 FPS and dual-pixel CMOS AF, you can record sharp and professional videos with smooth autofocus. There's also a range of advanced video settings, such as 10-bit 4222 to Canon log, along with the option to record to an external recorder.